first thing I'm gonna do is write down the hexadecimal values, and the first problem is basically octal into decimal. Octal has a weight of 8, so this one in particular has 80, 81, 82, and they have 5 and 4 here, and this one has 0, so we're gonna cross it out. If we multiply these two and these two, and add them to each other, we're gonna get 324, and that's basically how you solve from octal to decimal. And then from hexadecimal to decimal, we're gonna have to read these letters as one of these numbers. So C is gonna be 12 and A is gonna be 10. And in hexadecimal, we have a base of 16. So this is gonna be 10 times 16 to the 0, and then 2 times 16 to the 1, and then 12 times 16 to the 2, and then 3 times 16 to the 3. Once we multiply those and add them to each other, we would get 15,402. And then from decimal to octal, we would have to basically, since octal is dealing with weight of 8, we're gonna have to divide this number by 8. And once we do that, that number would go down to 45, 45, and we would have a remainder of 4. And then if we divide this number, 45, by 8 again, we would have 5, and we'd have a remainder of 5 right here. And then we can't divide 5 by 8, so we have to stop right there. And 554 would be our octal value that we're looking for. And for 1724, that's our hexadecimal problem, from decimal to hexadecimal. And this one, hexadecimal, deals with 16, the weight of 16, so we're gonna have to divide this one by 16. Same concept kind of in here, but we're working with 16 here. Once we divide by 16, we get 107 and a remainder of 12. And then if we divide that number by 16, we get 6, and we get a remainder of 11, and then we just write 6 again since we can't divide that by 16 again. And we change 12 and 11 to hexadecimal, which would be C and B. And our answer would be 6BC for the last one. And that's how you convert from decimal to octal, from decimal to hexadecimal, and then octal to decimal, and then hexadecimal to octal. Thank you.